Guys, I just short YM here into this zone here, but it's I mean it could get a little win, but you got a zone here and a zone here. See that? So you may get like $100, $75 in this trade because you got a supply zone and then you have a demand zone. Right? Still in an uptrend, looking for that 1030 pivot down, into 1030 pivot down, but the market here is actually trading again. Yield rally, Nasdaq goes down, Dow goes up. It moved from out of growth into value. So it's hard to
Long
make any
retracement
money in
setup.
here, right? So I'll leave that on. How we look at the NQ, guys? Look at them NQ. I'll put down one here to get a feel. You have a zone here, right? There's a
Long
limit
tail
order up
retracement
there, so we
setup.
see how that works out. Okay. Look at RTY here, guys. Nice move up. YM is all over the place, right? Up, down. So looking for these guys to pull back anyhow. RTY is actually overbought on a 1 minute and 2 minute chart. On a 5 minute chart. It's actually overbought.
Long key retracement entry. Long momentum.
This stream is sponsored by To The Tick.
I'm gonna short an M2K, guys.
Fibonacci and market profile levels.
I know, I'm gonna short an RTY, a 271, 271.3. If I could get fill, that fill. All right, look at YM. Finally coming down. RTY getting the drop here, right? Not much we could get from it, but still bullish, right? And YM micro, NQ micro, we down 51 bucks. I still think he get up there, come back to the open print into the zone, and then we could get a drop there. So those the plays, guys. So we're looking for NQ to get back here, which is close to the opening print.
NQ 1 minute cross above.
Right in the opening print is a sell zone. It's perfect alignment. Perfect confluence here for a pullback if we get there. I hope we get there. All right.
Long momentum setup.
And keep trying to get there, guys. Look. That's a set play, right? Want him to come up with a nice wick touches and then drop.
Long
Okay.
momentum setup.
Let's see how that works. YM all over the place, man. Not doing much. You got it. YM come back. We got to get out around here. 8 to 4 or something like that.
Short key retracement setup.
Think we can get play and we can get fill and NQ, guys. Okay, coming up to our level there in NQ. It's a nice play there. If we get fill. Come on, fill us. It's a little more, man. Come on. Trading at 72. We got to get to 8 to 5. We need a long wick to come and touch us.
Just remind you in 10 minutes time at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time we do the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index forecast 11.0, previous 9.0.
Come on, fill us. Wow, we didn't get it. Maybe 7 to 5. You know?
Long momentum setup.
Okay, 7 to 7. Come on. I'll take it at 80, guys. I'll take it
Order
at
submitted.
80. I'm going for 80. RTY is all over the place. It's down 100, down 35, up 60. I'll let that play out. YM back and forth, up
Order
and down.
filled.
Think we got fill in NQ, guys.
Long momentum setup.
Think so, right? Yeah. No. Did we? Let me see. Wow, it's gonna touch 85, guys. Nah. It's back and forth.
Order submitted.
Okay, here comes NQ, guys. We up here to $5. I take one at 80 because it wasn't getting up there. So we could take this win here, guys. Am I right? It's gonna be a nice win here. Long candle. Bam. We didn't get. See, went close to 85 and just fall. Was trying to get a second one there. We're up $160, $170. You know what? We take what we get from this play, guys.
Order submitted.
All right. So far as it moves. Whew.
Order
So
canceled.
far as it moves, guys. So I gotta wait. Okay. He still could come back up here, touch me, and then I would have two. And then we take it down. Okay. But I could get in, get back out, get out for a win, and then see if he pop up. Remember, he's still in an uptrend, am I right? Technically. All right. So, but I'll leave it on. YM. Tell you, we get YM, we get $100, we done. I'm out of YM for 120. Taking YM off for 120.
Order filled.
110. 110 and YM out of that guy. Okay.
Short momentum setup.
So we took YM off. RTY is not doing much. So we watch him. Go back to NQ. See how it comes. It's going to fill me at the other 5. Look. Bam.
Order submitted.
Come, fill us. Give us 2 and then drop. So we was up $100. We didn't take it. I tried to put a set play. We didn't get filled. So if he come and fill us at the other 5, we should have 2. And we should look for the drop. Okay? Come on, fill us.
Order filled. Order filled.
Bam.
Order filled.
Okay, let me see what happened now. So, oh, fire. Oh my God. Anyhow, there's a big zone here. See this zone? It's a big zone. So, it's rolling up. We go back to YM. See there's something we could let NQ play out. YM came down, get the drop, get into a squeeze backs here. No, there's not a, yeah, got into a squeeze box. So the squeeze is looking to fire. See? Does that indicate we're in the squeeze right now? Right? We look to see what the squeeze do. Okay. And we let NQ play out. Might have to add the NQ. All right. I'll set a stop on RTY in case you rally up or get stopped out. Going deep into the zone here. But I'm looking for a drop, guys. What time is it? 10:30. We hang in there. We wait. Let the trade play out, right? And do here. Coming to the NQ, coming to the VWAP here. See that? We're looking for the drop, guys. Okay. Pushing up right, gonna go touch this VWAP. There's a micro. This is the E-mini. Coming deep into the zone here, guys. Look. And NQ. Never got to the VWAP. See? They tried to get to the VWAP. You're getting it on overbought condition on a 1 minute chart. So I'm looking for him to pull back. Maybe he tried to go touch 15,200. 15,200 may go and touch 15,200. And then flush. So let me see what's happening here. All right, so 15 now. You know what? I'm going to add to the trade and see what happened here. See if we get the drop. Okay. Looking for that drop, guys. See if we get a drop here now. Bam, bam, bam. You got to break through the open here. Come back to the low. Yesterday low, right? See what happened, guys. See what YM doing. Any trade on YM? See YM in the squeeze box. Squeeze looking to fire. See? Red dot, red dot, red dot. Nothing doing yet, right? So we wait. NQ trying here. A doji. Be patient here. We can get a good trade here. Gotta be patient here. Let this play out here. There's a big supply zone here. Went deep into the zone. 11:35, coming to 11 o'clock. We look for that masterful drop. All right, drop might start early. All right, my drop start early. I'm add to my NQ. I take heat, I add to it. I'm only down. See, I got 3 of them now. So average price. Now I'm looking for a bigger drop. But I'm going to take some heat. Right? Started to make the move. Right? Deep, big zone. So I load up more. We get deep into the zone. I average down. Obviously, if we could do something here in YM. You see why I'm making this move, but look, we have a demand zone here, so I can't mess with him. You know what I'm saying? Because there's not much profit. I would love him to come all the way up here, overnight high, get the pivot. If the squeeze fire short, cumulative delta's coming down, the squeeze fire short, we could get a pop, but can't do nothing here with him. Follow? But so you got to sometimes give these trades time to work, am I right? You got to give them time to work because, no trade goes according to plan, am I right? But we let it work, let the trades work, see what happens, am I right? So, and Q's trying to pop up again, look. See that? Look at this long wick candle. Look at this. Went from 140, then you're down again. So see that? Bam, bam, bam. So here's the drill. We don't want him to break the prior swing, which is right here. He could come and touch the prior swing and get rejected. All right? Okay, NQ Micro, we up a couple bucks. YM Micro, NQ Micro, we was only down like 60. Now we down 122. Get the pop up, trying to break this. Trying to come back and break the swing. That's the swing right there. Need to get rejected right there. Okay? You get rejected there, we be good. If you come and touch the VWAP, break the swing, touch the VWAP, I add to the trades. That's simple. All right. Still looking, as we get deeper into 11 o'clock, we're looking for a pullback. Okay? That's what, as we get to 11 o'clock, is what I call pre-euro close. Right? And then we look for them to take them down. Okay? Touching the swing here, breaking through the swing. Look at that. Woo! Breaking through the swing. Look at that, guys. Trying to get to the VWAP. As he go break the swing, getting another bullish candle. Look at this. Pushing up. All right. See what happened. Give it time to work. All right. Hit the swing above, come down, got rejected, and here he comes now. So may try one more time to go up and test it. And come up here and try to test the swing again, right? So cumulative delta. The difference between the bid and ask is kind of flat here. All right. Volume is below average. The ticks are close to the zero line. The TQ is coming down. But NQ is now reacting. All right. Advances up, decline is down. All right. So you got more stocks going green than red. So they're trying to see, come back, test it again one more time. Normal business operation. Look like this guy gonna target. Looks like he's gonna target 11 or 14. Okay. But as we get into 11 o'clock, I always looking for that drop. All right. So cumulative delta is coming down here, look. So we're getting a little, but it's kind of sideways, all right? It's just flipping back and forth, okay? Stupid IBM. SOXX. Come on, drop. One more try and then fail. Coming into 11 o'clock, guys. We can look for a failure here, right? Still bullish, but long wicks, which is good. They're getting rejected. Every time they push up, the bears enter, right? No real continuation. See that? Which is what we wanted to see. We start making high highs and we take a lot of heat, right? So TQ's coming down. Price is now reacting to it though, right? But soon, here we go now. Here comes the flush. Here comes the flush, guys. Flush hard and fast. Hard and fast. Come on, flush. We need a continuation. What we need here is this candle. See? This is just a fight between the bull and the bears here. Look at this guy, look. See that? Long wick. Come down, push back up into the body of the candle. This is Hikadashi. We need to break the open here, come back to the low. Okay? First, this is the 10 o'clock high here. 10:30 high. Opening print. Yesterday low. All right? Now we see if we get a masterful drop here, guys. Still going back and forth here. Let play out, all right? See what happens. So we look at the European market. See what's happening out there. London is barely up. The DAX is giving up some of its gains. The Euro Stock 50, up 7, and France is up 14. Right? So see what happened here. See if they're going to give up some. When we look here at the yield is still rallying. Pull back a little off the high. Okay. We'll take a snapshot of the sector spiders. See who's up. Financial is barely up. Communication is up. Oh, technology up a little, real estate down, etc., etc. All right. That's where we are. So we look at we look here, and we're gonna look at the future side. This is the futures, how they're trading. India's up, Nikkei down, Hang Seng Bailey up, China A50 is up, A-shares is barely down. So that's the future side of the market. Wow, push it up, break right through. Look at that. Woo! It's not good. It's not good at all, guys. But like anything else, we wait. Still pushing it up. Look, it's coming right here to the VWAP here. Our VWAP is 210. Wow. Hit the VWAP here. Wow. Woo. It's crazy, right? But We should be coming down now, guys. So you see, we get the drop, should have, would have. So I'm gonna add one here, 205. See if we get one more here, and then we look for the drop. Okay, that's all we could do. We look for that euro play here. So we get into 11 o'clock, let's take it down. I miss it. All right. I'm gonna load up here, guys. I'm going in. All right. Oh man, bad move. I didn't get it. Ah, okay. Let's see if we get a drop now, guys. Okay. Here we go. See if we get a pullback now. As we get closer to 11 o'clock. All right. What I call my pre-euro close. We're still in the supply zone, so which is kind of good, kind of supporting. If we go to the supply zone, we get exposed, then we have to get out, right? So, but as we get into 11 o'clock, we look for a masterful pullback, okay? Let it work itself out, right? Just watch it here. See if we get a drop, make some money, and then we out, guys, okay? Still pushing up. Oh man, gotta wait. Trade. If it wasn't going into 11 o'clock, I would have had to get out of these trades, right? But because of coming into the pre-euro closing, you'll see my stamp, a label going to print here, and we look for them to start taking it down, like now. See? Follow, guys? So if this was a regular time frame, I want to, matter of fact, I want to take this much heat, right? So I would get out anyhow, right? So okay, come drop now, brother. Come break the here, break here to 4, break the point of control here, and drop. Come back here, we make money, okay? But it's gonna bounce back and forth because that's where the most volume is, correct? And we would need to see him break that to go lower. I still believe NQ gonna come back and test the low, all right? The low of the day, all right? So still back, popping back and forth. What we get here is a reversal. See this reversal print here, all right? What it's saying, if you didn't short, you could take it. If you didn't long, you could go long, all right? But I won't go long at this time of day, right? So I look for that pullback, correct? Popping back and forth, testing the VWAP here again. Oh. Taking some. Oh, look at why. Oh, look at why. He came down nicely, better than all of them. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Crazy. Why a micro work? We had one. We were up $140. And Q's all over the place. Going back and forth. That's all right. Still looking for that drop, guys. All right. Time, and the timing of enter the trade, like anything else, is the most important thing, right? Going a little too early, you get the heat, but eventually it works. If you got capital, you add to your trade, you make money, right? So, all right. So we play the chart in front of us, right? Here we come now, guys, coming into 11 o'clock, right? Let me see if you get this masterful drop, like a big drop, all right? So here's where you could go, here's where you could pounce on it, right? Bam, look at Q. Come back. You need to close below the VPOC to get low, guys. Look at how wicked these candles. Look at this garbage, right? You need to close though. You need to close below the VPOC. This candle need to close. So this candle come back 50% of the body of the candle. So we need the next candle to open up. We got 15 seconds remaining. 12 seconds for this candle close. 9 seconds. See what happens. Next candle need to open up below the VPOC. And then we make some money. Okay? Okay, here we come. Open up below the VPOC. Bam, we got the drop. All right, we need to push fast though. It's not good enough, but RTY, I took a lot of heat, but I've got 3. I'm up for down $4 to $5. He come here, I'll get out here before you get here, right? So, NQ, I pouncing it up $100 only. That's all right. YM, holy cow! Look YM micro, guys. Holy cow! You see, this is why I love this time of day. If you could be patient and get in, you make money, guys. Here we come. Here comes NQ. I'm scaling out the NQ, guys. Scaling out the NQ. All right, here's why I'm scaling out. He's coming into a zone here. See the zone? He ain't coming in and get rejected. I'm taking another one off, okay? So we only got a running out. You understand why I got out, am I right? He come down, he run into a demand zone here, guys. See that? Pop right back out to the demand zone. So we just make a couple of $100, maybe $400 or $500 there, right? See if he could continue though. As we get close to 11 o'clock, I can get a little weepy, am I right? I try to pop up again. So here's what needs to happen. He need to break, right? He need to come down and break the opening print and come back to 76. See how he's trading here, the VPOC? So that's what we need to happen. Break the opening print and then come down to yesterday low. I mean, that's what we would like to see happen. Look at the micros, right? We're only down 50 something bucks. I should have added to it, but I had too much positions on. You follow? So I didn't want to do that. Right? So, oh, come. Here comes NQ. He's coming deep into the zone here. Bam. 185. Remember the 185 print guy? That's where he just break right through. We're $250 in him now, guys. Here we go. 180, 180, 180. I'm out at 180.75 if we get there. 180.75. All right. Oh, you could take it off right here if you want. 180. So the body of the wick look. Let's get deep into the zone and it keep popping up. You see, I was being greedy there. So, yeah. Should have just take it, right? Come back to SD2 standard deviation. We should have just take that profit there. I'm not going to go up and beat me again, guys. All right. I'm taking it off. 150 win. All right. I'm going to trade it again. Come right. If you come away from the zone and come back up here, we got 2 minutes to 11. You're going to get a little whippy as we get into 11 o'clock. We get a push back up and then a short it. So we just make up $100 there, guys. I know. $600, I guess. Yes, we make like $600. Okay. Now he just faked me out there. Look, he's coming back to test it again. Look. Yeah, hate when that happened. That's all right. That's all right. It's coming down here. Let me look at YM micro. Holy cow. We're taking the profit on YM micro. Okay. Let's take that little profit on Y for 43 bucks, guys. That's 43 bucks is $430 on an E-mini. Right? I'm down in RTY, guys. I'm down like 135 bucks. It's all right. I'm going to hold them a little longer. We make some money, right? So, what NQ is doing? NQ micro. What? Look how this came right back, guys. Am I? Look how NQ micro came all the way back. See that? Ah, man. We should have loaded the boat on that sucker too, right? But I start to scale out of it, right? So, okay, we got too many of them on, right? So, don't want to get back anything, man. That's the trick, right? Take the win. Just call it. I know what, I'm going to keep one on, maybe two on. All right. I got feeling something on toss. So we up now how much? We up 7 to 9. We scale out. We got two on. We leave a runner. Right? You know what? Taking one off here. We get it. Because as we get here to 11 o'clock, see pre-euro close, that was the trade I was trading. I was waiting for we get rally up and then come, bam. We need to take one off here because I think they try to flip it. All right, and then, okay, we just use this one as a barometer here. Okay. Got one Bitcoin on and I'm down $72. So I had it on over the weekend. I was down 139. We're looking for Bitcoin to pull back. So see what to do here, guys. How to flip it. All right. This is what happened when you come into. Let me show you. When you come into the. Oh wow, that zone disappeared, guys. Look. It broke right through that demand zone. So now we left wide open to drop lower. But you're going to pop up back first, and then you try to come down back. So we want him to come back to 92. What's that? 15,192. 15. Right there. So we want him to come back to the VPOC here, test it. All right. And then come. Now you could blow through it again, all right? So this would be our stop up here. All right. You can come back, test the VPOC because it's coming into 11 o'clock. So we're going to flip back and forth. Normal price action. If you watch it daily, you can see how the price behaves. You can come right back and test that VPOC. Bam. Bam. See that? Can't make this shit up, guys. All right. So if we look at the micro here, see how we give up that $40 or whatever the hell we had there? See that? Now we could play this for a second time. Okay? Let it do what it got to do. All right? I'm going to add to this guy here at 09 if he gets up there. If he gets up to 09, but I don't think he might do it, but NQ is a beast, so you never know with NQ, right? Put one up there, we leave it. Okay? Come back to the VPOC. Bam. See that guy? You can't make this up. That's how this thing works. VPOC here is at 201.9. 201.9. We got to play this 2 times, guys. Let it do what it has to do. All right? Or we get to play it 2 times. Woo! Pushing it up. Pushing it up. Look at that. So now we're going to look to take it down. Okay? We got to wait for a setup, though. We break through it, break the VWAP. Oh, shit. Come right back to value area high. 203, 213.25. 213.25. Value area high. Okay? There it goes. Don't worry, we take it down again. Don't worry. Yeah, look, we get the buy. Look, this is a buy program, guys. Look, 30% more volume just came in on this here. 30% more volume on that spike. So that could be what? Short covering. All right, there could be some short covering there, right, guys? That's what that could have been. Some short covering. All right. I remember the market is up a little. Nobody want to go into the economic data coming out. The Fed on deck tomorrow in front of Congress. So I think that's the drill there, guys. I think that's why the ticket down. Well, we got a momentum shift here. See, that's the momentum shift. All right. We got 2 on there, and let me take it down. See what happened. We wait. As it gets into 11:15, 11:20, we can get another burst of energy. We can get another burst of energy to the upside, right? And then we look to them to take it down into 11:30, 11:45. 11:30 can get very whippy also. That's the close. That's the close. Like any close, am I right? The market flip back and forth. We might try to take it down before 11:15, right? But we wait. I want to load up again, but I'll wait, okay? RTY, I got stopped out, okay? Got stopped out. That's all right. Lost $195. Can't win them all, okay, guys? So he was too bullish. That's why I put the stop, and then I'm gonna watch him. So hoping he could break. Money is to be made in NQ, right? So NQ is what makes us the money. All right, here they come now. One more time. Can flip back and forth, though, guys. Right? So if you watch this, we keep this running until 11:30. You can see how it behaves 11:30, how it behave at 11:15 to 11:20, then how it behave into the close, and how it behave into the settlements at 11:45. Okay, so let it run. We do nothing, and I'm gonna add here. No reason to add. You're making high here, all right? So let it do its thing, all right? What I really, when I'm ready to load up, I like to see we get a doji here. So here we get a little doji here. So bullish doji. We get a shift in trend on this candle here. All right, and we need to see 2 consecutive close, low close, and then we get the drop. Okay, that's how it works. So I use the Hikadashi candle for trend in the 1 minute. I use the 2 minute here to see if to confirm the trend or get confidence. All right, but let's see. I was looking for this little drop before 11:15, and we getting it. Okay, I want to add to the trade though. All right, I mean I got on my NQ. I went back into the NQ. You know how I am. I put on 1, got 2. I'll take another 1 off here, and I keep 1. You know what, guys? I take both of them off. We up $355. I'm taking it, right? Whew. Yo, guys, we make close to $900 there. Close to $1,000 short in NQ. We get to play it twice, right? We lose 200 on RTY, and we make another what? I don't know, 400 there. So pay for itself. Can't go wrong, right, guys? Guys, you see how this works? It's terrible simple, right? See how we look at this 2 micros again. Here we go. Amazing, eh, guys? You know, sometimes we could just wait for this play. Look, $71 here, guys, and 2. All right. You got up to $800 on the e-minis, guys. Look at this. And they're taking it down to the cleaners. I'm taking 1 off here. Taking 1 off here, right? Just keep 1. Hold on. Take off this limit order here. Okay. Got it, bro. So now what we do, we're coming into 11:15. I'm taking this off though. I'm closing out this, right? Guys, you see that? So what we do again, watch it. We ain't got no more trades on. We flat, right? And everything, right? So we close this out.